Have been banned in most public spaces in the city of Los Angeles, but what about e-cigarettes? That's the question being taken up by the Los Angeles City Council today. And Eyewitness News reporter Giovanna Lara is live in downtown Los Angeles with the story. Giovanna.
David, well, e-cigarettes are growing in popularity so much so that students are even bringing them to school, and that's what's prompting city leaders to consider a new ordinance that would limit where you can vape in LA.
We know this is harmful. We just don't know exactly how much.
City leaders and local health experts weigh in on a proposed city ordinance to regulate e-cigarettes and prohibit their use in public areas. If passed, the ordinance would make vaping at restaurants, public parks, beaches, and schools as illegal as lighting up.
The emissions from e-cigarettes contain nicotine, volatile organic compounds, heavy metals, an array of elements that have been determined previously to be carcinogenic.
When e-cigarettes first hit stores, they were marketed as a gateway to kicking the nicotine habit. But now, 7 years later, vaping's growing popularity is alarming health experts and LAUSD officials who say e-cigarettes have become a gateway to smoking.
I'm very, very concerned that e-cigarettes are participating in what I would call a re-hipsterization of tobacco. It's a remarketing, it's a repackaging, and it's very, very dangerous.
According to high school principal Paul Hirsch, students are vaping on campus. Limits need to be established.
We just want to get ahead of the problem. I don't think they understand how dangerous and addictive nicotine can be.
Opponents of the move say the ordinance would make it more difficult for smokers who are trying to quit.
The public health message ought to be stop smoking and use whatever tools you can that we know are dramatically less harmful.
And the City Council is scheduled to vote on the ordinance on March 4th. Live in downtown Los Angeles, Giovanna Lara, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.